Oh my goodness, this juice is packed with a lot of nutrients. It is very refreshing and above all, very healthy. I hope you are ready for the recipe. Yes, I know, right? But before we start, if today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we do easy recipes. The first fruit is watermelon, and trust me, this was very juicy and sweet. With this juice, please do not worry yourself to add any sugar to it because it was so nice. Okay, so I am just going to take everything out from there and then we can continue. Please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and we do short videos that are very detailed, okay, on our YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and then TikTok. Now after I remove everything, I will just blend it behind the scene, and then this is what we got. I'll just go ahead and then strain it very well. Just look at that vibrant color. It was very juicy and very sweet. So please, once again, do not worry to add any sugar to this recipe, whether it is sweet or not, okay, because this is very healthy. Now the next on our list is kiwi. The first time I got to know about kiwi, it was my little girl who told me about it, okay? Yes, and now it has become one of my favorite fruits and I love it. So this one is the yellow one. We have the green one, and I'll just go ahead and then peel the skin. After peeling it, we can continue. If you don't have the potato peeler, you can just go ahead and then use your knife to do this, okay? My knife is very bad. It is not sharp. That is just by the way. So you can use your knife instead of the potato peeler. You are good to go. So I'll just go ahead and then divide it, go and put this in my blender, and then I turn to the rest till I am done doing it. Okay, now we are done with our kiwi, and the next fruit is our pineapples, and I will just go ahead and add that to the kiwi. I have peeled it already. The next ingredient is our celery, and I will add that as well. I've washed it very well, and I have my raspberries. I'll go ahead and add that as well to the ingredients you saw earlier. We washed it very well, okay? We cannot forget our ginger, and the ginger is looking very juicy and yellowish. I just love it. Blend everything, and this is the outcome. We are just going to strain that very well. If you want it in a smoothie form, just do not worry yourself to strain this. Just go ahead and enjoy this. I learned some people prefer to, store the chaff in their freezer. Then when they are preparing their smoothie, they add the chaff to it. But I am going to discard it, okay? Yes, because apart from banana smoothie, I don't think I take any other smoothie like that. No, apart from banana smoothie, I don't remember taking any smoothie, okay? I don't usually prepare smoothie, but I love the juice, okay? So I will discard that, and then we can continue. So this is what I'm talking about. The chaff, this one. Yeah, I will discard that, and I will be with you shortly. So after everything, this is what we have. Just look at that. So refreshing, and it was so nice. So this is what I do. I'm just going to keep this in my bottles and then keep it in the freezer, okay? When I wake up in the morning, or maybe in the evening when I'm about to sleep, this is the last thing I take. I just put it in the what do you call it, in a cold water to melt. Then I just take it. Okay, so that is why I poured it here. But sometimes if the bottles are not enough, I keep some in the glass jar. With that, it will be in the fridge, and I will attend to that for it to get finished before I take those in the freezer. I hope you understand me. Yes, just look at that. So good. So this with the bottle one, they are sealed, because sometimes you get a visitor and maybe he or she would tell you, can I have one? I don't want to give the person the bottle that I've used. Okay, so they are sealed, and I'll keep it in the freezer. Thank you so much for watching, and I don't take your time here for granted. Do not forget to try this and you will love it. Do not forget to eat fruits or juice after eating. Okay, it is very important. And just look at that, so beautiful and so healthy, packed with a lot of nutrients. Thank you so much for your precious time, and welcome your way next time. Do not forget to take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and do not forget to cherish those who love you, because true love is priceless. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.